Sir po niya. Salamat po sa inyo. Magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. Alam niyo po, nagsimula ako sa Congress. Nung mahalal po ako sa Manila bilang representante. Isa po sa pinili kong committee na sasalihan ko po yung Science and Technology. Ako po masipag po akong attend po ng mga committee hearing. At doon sa pag-attend ko po ng committee hearing, si Sec Boy, yung Boy, isang po ng inyo pong mga kasama, nabigyan po ako ng pagkakataon na maging principal author po ng mga adhikain po nila. Kaya po isa po sa unang ipinasa ko po rin yung Balik Scientist Act. At nakakatuwa naman po bilang unang first termer po na congressman, napasama po ako dun sa bill ng Balik Scientist Act. Kaya maraming salamat sa Boy sa pagtitiwala niyo po sa akin bilang maging principal author po ng bill na ito. At ayun po, basta ako po ay tutulong po sa advokasya niyo po. At alam naman po natin, importante po yung science at yung engineering. Di ba pag mayroon po tayong anong approach yan, dapat scientific ang approach natin dyan para mas maganda. Kaya malaking bagay po sa ating bansa itong Balik Scientist Act para patulungan po natin o ma-innovate po yung ating bansa sa maraming larangan po. Kaya congratulations po Sec Boy sa inyong panunungkulan. At makakasa po kayo na 100% po akong susuporta sa lahat po ng advokasya ng DOST po. Thank you po.
So thank you very much. I think we've heard a lot today. There's so many wonderful stories that we can derive out of this conversation. It should not stop here. We should continue to engage one another, especially our friends in the media, because you see, scientists and technologists speak a different kind of language, diba? And yes, they're very articulate, but we need to laymanize everything so that our common town can also understand and participate in the discourse, right?
Richard,
Well,
before we
then,
mag-end tayo, I just want to ask one of the regional directors to say something, give us an idea of the kind of small firms that they have been assisting in the regions. So may I call on Dr. Seni Laita to be the representative of the regional,
Ma'am, the microphone.
the kind of companies we are.
Thank you very much, sir. Good evening, everyone. Actually po, in the regions, we have been implementing different layers of programs, but pinakaano namin yung Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program, of course, under the leadership of our beloved Secretary. Our Secretary is very supportive. That is why we are making a difference in our region. So we have been assisting different kinds of industry sectors. No? So one company that we have assisted is the Greenland Ventures, and the vision is to make this plant a agribusiness tourism industry, and she has been chosen as one of the best setup adapter, one of the finalists. Yes, sir. DOST scholar also who became an entrepreneur, and then she will be expanding this also to avail of the creative. Actually, yung project niya is a tissue cultural laboratory. They produce high quality planting materials of banana. So you can just imagine the impact that she will be creating. If they can produce quite a number. Before our intervention, sir, kunti lang yung napoproduce nila. But because of our intervention, they can produce thousands of planting materials every month. So perhaps they will be increasing their income to around 14 million. Civet, alamid, no? Ito yung noon yung mga indigenous peoples. They just take this for granted. Parang nakikita nila yung mga pupo ng sibit, parang wala lang sa kanila kasi akala nila value. But when DOST comes in, as well as with our partner like Engineer Fred Lucis, so they realized the importance na yung palang yung chair ng CIVIT ay parang bangko. No? So, their lives have been improved and their lives have been it transforms their lives, no, their lives. And then before, sabi nila wala silang chinilas, ngayon ay pwede na silang bumili ng chinilas na marami. Opo, at saka they were also, what is this, hired as, scholars, no, of the foundation. And then, napapaaral na nila yung mga anak nila. So, very happy for the recent intervention. Actually, nakarating po ako doon sa tuktok ng mo, but I don't advise our secretary to go. Mahirap po abutin. So, nakita ko it's very fulfilling, like what our balik centers have said. Yun po, very fulfilling kasi makita mo talaga yung tuwa nila doon sa improvement of their quality of life. So, another one is Kablon. So, to the Kablon farm, the chocolate, marami po silang yung mga beverage. Ang dami po nilang they are already exporting their products, their chocolate, and also the great harvest. No? So, yung, di ba, sir, nakapunta kayo doon. So, they're also, what is this, best producer of chocolate. Hindi tayo mapapahiya. They can already compete at the global market. So, marami pa po sa tuna, as well as the wood. Meron din kami natulungan na lumberjack dryer. Before hindi siya makatry ng wood niya. So, nalulubi siya. So, nung makita niya yung DOST, tapos na-adapt niya yung technology natin sa can dryer, can drying, bigla siyang umangat. So, dati bahay po, yung bahay niya. Tapos ngayon, little mansion. Noon, konti lang, frontier lang yung sasakyan niya. Ngayon, ang dami na niyang mga, anong tawag doon? Marami na siyang mga mga and then nakadagdag pa siya ng how many hectares? 5 hectares, other planta niya, another 5 hectares. Hindi pa kasya ang kanyang produkto. Siya supplier ng City Hardware. Yes, sir. Yung binili niya out of his income, no, from our intervention na 3.7 million ay inire-engineer niya, nagastos na niya is 200,000 plus, and it has the same efficiency. So, tulong po yun, kasi pwede niyang i-share dun sa iba who would like to go into the business venture on wood. So, kailangan pa natin more of these best set of adapters, no, para umangat. Ang sa akin, talagang nasabi ko sa sarili ko, kung talagang sincere ang government, kasi sa lahat ng ahensya, kahit magalit sa akin ng mga ahensya, go based on my experience, kung ang ahensya ay ginagawa ng DOST, siguro po ay hindi tayo poor. Tayo po ay aangat talaga. Diba? Pero ang alam ko, lahat naman sila gumagawa ngayon ng in partnership with us. Di ba? Sorry po. Pero yun po noon. So, ang laki lang ang difference na nagawa natin. Hindi lang yata sa Region 12, kasi ang alam ko, pati ibang regions, talagang they are making a difference. And collectively, we are addressing what is this, fueling industrialization for inclusive economic growth and sustainable development in support of the vision of the President for a better change in line with the agenda of our Secretary. Thank you very much.
Bakit ko lang ang Region 12. I was pleasantly surprised when we first automated our elections. DOST was in charge of certifying the Board of Election Inspectors whether they are capable of running the automated counting machines. And I was surprised that DOST-12 was the fastest to do the job of certifying all the Board of Election Inspectors during that election in 2010.
Thank you very much, boss.
All right, so I think it's really been a very fruitful and productive exchange. We should not end here. Coming from